Here's Brooklyn and her little feet about to have her first bite of cereal.
Here.
Does she like it?
Ooh.
Look at his face.
Yummy.
She doesn't know how to eat it though.
She's eating it. No, she is eating it.
That's good.
Ah, she's not even making a face. She has to like it.
Yeah.
She how likes it. How cute. No.
Can I stop it now?
Hold on. Do you want to feed yourself? Here. Oh. It's butter. It's supposed to give them their own spoon and let them do it.
Really?
Yeah. It's like casual. You know? You got that on video? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Okay, you can stop it.